Hi friends, today I'm with a new fitness smartwatch. This is a ColorFit Pro 3 Active. It comes with the Alexa built-in, and also it looks a pretty much similar packaging what we have seen. This is a jet black color. There will be other four colors also. The colors will be only for the strap, not for the watch itself. So that is the only difference. If you see at the back, it comes with a 1.55-inch touchscreen display. It has a blood oxygen monitor, 5 to 7 days of battery life, 5 ATM waterproof, cloud-based watch faces, and Alexa voice service. It also comes with the female health tracking. If we talk about the box price, it is written 5,999. This is not the final price. The app will be compatible with both iOS and Android platform. Here you can see the welcome note. There is also few of the features. I will definitely recommend you to check that. This is the watch. It comes with the square face, and if you see inside the box, there is a cable. This is a pogo pin charging cable. It comes with a magnetic pogo pin. I will also show you how to charge it. Just put the adapter with the USB port, and here you can see it shows the charging. Once you start charging it, it will boot up and it will show you the charging percentage also at the same time. It takes less than an hour to charge full charge. Just leave it for some time, and once it is charged, it will ask you to download the app. And the app is little different what we have seen earlier. Comes with the Noise Fit Assist app, and the Noise Fit Assist app is basically because it supports Alexa. So right now it is installing it. Give it some time. Once it is done, you can just open it. Once the app is open, it will ask the permission to grant the access in the smartphone. It also comes with the female health check. What I have told you, you can check your health daily. You have a training expert, you have different watch faces, and it will ask you for the software update also. Just you have to put the confirmation, accept that, and once it is done, it will ask you to log in and register. It is up to you. You want to log in or register. Currently, I am skipping it. Once it is done, it will ask you for the location also. Just put the location, and once it is done, it will try to set up, and it will also ask which watch app you are using. Currently it will ask you the area location. So area, it is in India right now. I am, so I'm just putting India. Once it is done, you have to put the tick mark, then the nickname, then the steps and the weight what you have. You can change those things. Currently I'm not changing too many things, just a few of them. After finish, it will ask you which one it is, the watch or the bracelet. Here we have the watch. It will do the searching. Once it is being searched, it will show you the name, Noise Fit Pro 3 Assist. It is done, it will show you, also ask you permission in the smartwatch also. Once you give the permission, the binding is done, and you can access each and everything from your smartwatch. Here you can see it will start 00, and then later on it shows it is paired. You can even also log in with your Amazon Alexa account. So currently I am trying to log in with my Amazon account. I will put my password with that so that I can give the command through Alexa here. It will take some time. It will take to a third-party browser, and from the browser, it will ask you to give the access. Once it is done, you can send continue, and what are the features you can do, it is shown also there. And there are very few smartwatches available in the market which supports Alexa or Google Assistant by default. So getting Alexa on your smartwatch is definitely an added advantage, and if you have a Prime account, definitely that also adds up. And here you can see I have given the access. It will take some time, and once it is done, you can log in directly and can use with the Amazon Alexa account. Later on you can finish it, and it will ask you to give the permission for message notifications of all the apps including Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. So you just have to give the permission in your smartphone, and here you can see the notification access is being allowed. And once it is done, you can definitely get all the notification. Just switch it on, and it is up to you. You want calendar, emails, SMS, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, TikTok, YouTube. So there are lot of apps which give you the permission. Even it will give you the call reminder update also, and including that it has a music control. It gives you Amazon Alexa, and also in the unit you can choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit. It is up to you. Once it is done, this is all you need to input. It will take some time to load it. Once it is done, I will go through the app and show you how you can do the purchase. You have your Noise own watch face market where you can purchase also, and you can also edit or make your own watch faces. Here you can see, just take a picture and you can customize with that. It is very easy, it will not take much time. Currently I am showing you how to take with the camera picture. Once it is done, you can make it as a watch face if you just put that right there. And you can also take pictures from the album also what you have in your smartphone. And there are some preloaded watch faces already given. You can install them, you can change them, and it is much faster. What we have seen after applying, the watch face is installed very instantly, it doesn't take much time. And here you can see the new watch face is already loaded. Now coming to the training part, it shows you outdoor training or indoor training, and there are a few more things which you can change. You can go and change the watch face and also see the market. It has a health control, it comes with the app health, it comes with the alarm and notification, the firmware upgrade, the resource, and the device language what you want. Currently it is in the English version, and you can also go and report to customer care directly. It also comes here, which is definitely a good thing. It is even if you want to get more information on the ColorFit Pro 3 Assist, you can also go and check that. So this is what in the Mine. If you go to the Mine, you can log in, you can do the setup. You can also change the time, unit, the week of the day start. Currently it is Sunday. I'm just switching it into Monday. And the map engine can be Google. It can be changed to AMAP also. So this is the map engine. Completely too many things given. It is not necessary for each and everyone to check out these features, but you can also get the medals while using. It is kind of achievements what you will get while wearing this app. So definitely it is an advantage, and you can also challenge some of your friends who are also wearing the Noisefit watches. So here you can see the activities what you are going through, you can check them out. So this is what we are getting in the app already. And one more thing I have forgot, here is all the training data slip. Even you can also add another device, you can scan the QR code, you can check all the activities, HR rate, stress, SpO2, training, sleep. These things can be seen here. If you want, you can change the strap also. Here you can see it is very easy, and you can change the strap. You can purchase them from Noise website also, so that is not a big deal. It comes with the optical heart rate sensor, and it has a waterproof rating which is a 5 atm. So just be a little bit patient so that you can put the strap back. And this will be coming in 5 colors. This is a jet black color, there is a gray color, there is a blue color, also there is a rose gold color and a smoke green color. These are the 5 colors what you will get for this watch. If you talk about the price point, in the box it is written 5,999, but this is not the final price. The final price of the device is 4,999, and it is not a heavy watch. You can also find it for a little bit more discount on the website also. If you ask me on the weight of the smartwatch is 40 grams. If you talk about the dimensions, it comes with the 101 into 96 into 68 mm. This is what we got with the smartwatch. It is a very lightweight smartwatch. I definitely like it, and I will also show you how the Amazon Alexa app works, the Alexa Assist, how it works in the smartwatch. It comes with the TFT display, and here is a 1.5 mm squared size smartwatch. And if you pull out from top, it will show you all the notification. From right to left, it will show you the BPM measuring. It will also show you the outdoor rating. Even it will show you the Alexa Assist. So this is what you are getting if you scroll from left to right or right to left. So if you go to the Alexa, you can ask whatever question you have. Currently, see, I am asking it about the temperature, and it will show you the exact temperature what is it in my town. So this is a very easy thing. You can ask few more things in Alexa, you can change them. Even you can give the commands, you can ask it to do those commands. If you swipe from bottom, you can see the battery percentage, Bluetooth connected or not. You can change the brightness, you have the DND mode. You can go and connect the app and do the setup. Even it has a DND mode, and even you can go to the settings also. So this is what you are getting in the app. If you press the right side button, you can check the BPM, and you can also have the goals, the sports mode. You even given the blood measuring SpO2 rating. So here you can check the SpO2 rating. Just be patient for a few minutes, and once it is done, You can see the SpO2 rating, it came around 98%. I will still say that if you have anything major concern, just go and consult your doctor. You can check the weather also, you can also see the sleep record, you can change the music, you can have the timer, stopwatch, even wrist awake. If you lift your wrist, it will be awake. There is a flashlight also present which will act as a torch for you in the dark. Even you can change the brightness, you can change the watch face also directly from your smartwatch. So this is the option what you are getting, and if you want to change anything else, you can go and try this out. So all the settings I have shown you what comes in the Noise Color Fit Pro 3 Assist. If you guys have any question or doubt, do let us know in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you guys. This is all about in this video. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.